Welcome to our video on Business Process Design, or BPD. In this chapter, we'll explore what BPD is, its historical evolution, and the key principles and goals that drive it. Business process design is the act of creating a structured plan for the various activities and tasks that make up a business process. It involves defining the sequence of steps, the roles involved, and the resources required to achieve a specific business goal. The concept of business processes has evolved significantly over time. During the Industrial Revolution, processes were primarily manual and labor-intensive. With the advent of technology, processes became more automated and efficient, leading to the sophisticated business process designs we see today. Key principles of business process design include efficiency, which focuses on minimizing waste and maximizing output, effectiveness, which ensures that the process achieves its intended goals, and adaptability, which allows the process to evolve with changing business needs. The primary goals of business process design are to improve productivity, enhance customer satisfaction, and ensure compliance with regulations. By designing efficient and effective processes, businesses can achieve these goals and maintain a competitive edge in the market. In summary, business process design is a crucial aspect of modern business operations. It has evolved over time and is guided by key principles aimed at achieving specific business goals. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll dive deeper into the methodologies and techniques used in BPD. Let's start by looking at process mapping and modeling. This involves creating a visual representation of a business process, detailing each step and the flow of activities. Process mapping helps teams understand the sequence of tasks, identify bottlenecks, and streamline operations for better efficiency. Next, we have workflow analysis. This step involves examining the flow of tasks and information to ensure that each stage of the process is optimized. Workflow analysis helps in identifying redundancies, delays, and areas for improvement, ensuring that the process is as efficient as possible. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, and metrics are essential for measuring the success of a business process. These metrics provide quantifiable data to assess performance. KPIs can include metrics like time taken to complete a task, cost efficiency, and quality of output. Monitoring these indicators helps in making data-driven decisions. Lean Six Sigma combines lean manufacturing principles with Six Sigma methodologies to improve efficiency and reduce waste. It focuses on streamlining processes and eliminating defects. Business Process Model and Notation, or BPMN, provides a standardized method to visually represent business processes. It helps in understanding and improving workflows. Total Quality Management emphasizes continuous improvement in all aspects of an organization. It involves every employee in the quest for quality enhancement. Agile business process design promotes flexibility and iterative progress. It allows teams to adapt quickly to changes and deliver incremental improvements. Combining these methodologies and frameworks can lead to a more robust and adaptable business process design. Each approach offers unique strengths that can be leveraged for optimal results. To measure the impact of business process design, we first need to evaluate the effectiveness of redesigned processes. This involves tracking key performance indicators such as cycle time, error rates, and customer satisfaction before and after the redesign. Next, a cost-benefit analysis of BPD initiatives is crucial. This analysis helps in understanding the financial implications by comparing the costs involved in implementing the new processes against the benefits gained, such as cost savings and increased revenue. Finally, assessing the long-term impact on organizational performance is essential. This includes monitoring metrics like market share, employee productivity, and overall profitability over an extended period to ensure that the redesigned processes continue to deliver value. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to have access to more videos about management.